Alright, good evening everyone and welcome back to the channel as we are going to be ready to pass the halfway point of the first weekend of October. October 5th, 2024, CN Hayes here, 1931, coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin, with a video lined up for you on this mild evening. Got some thunderstorm activity going on here. Looks like late season stuff there. That's not too much of a worry about that, but that could really change those. Severe weather is going to be possible for north central and northeastern Wisconsin, but thankfully for my area here in west central and northwestern Wisconsin, no severe weather will be anticipated, but some of these storms that are developing along this frontal boundary that's on the way to pass by with that upper level low that's over southern Canada, probably in Manitoba, Canada, is going to sweep a warm and cold front boundary through the area this evening. In addition, gusty winds from the northwest are going to kick up behind the cold front after this evening. Meanwhile, we have this narrow band of thunderstorms that are becoming intense right now. Got some vivid lightning going on, but I do not see any CGs happening with this. Most of that activity for now is just pretty much way down there. I'll never know. See a CG or two hit from down there. And these storms are tracking to the northeast at around 50 to around 70 miles per hour. Yeah, just listen to that. What's going on? Still the end is looking to be back building a little bit, but some more development is happening ahead of the leading edge. Is about to come near Highway 8, which is about nearly 3/4 miles out from my position. So I might get rain showers out of this one. Just gotta really see what happens though. seemed to have subsided before the warm front arrived. This little line here, this little narrow band is intense. Down there. For the area is probably likely down towards Sheldon, Conrath, and nearby Cornell. So here's what we got going on here. This is what got the development going here, and wow, it's getting more intense in the areas between Conrath and Sheldon. It looks like it's the most activity happening here, but I see the other storm down here. It's about to exit out of Thorpe, Reesburg, Owen, and Longwood. It's really got some CG activity going on with that. And yep, I see that the cold front is getting ready to close in as the warm front has made the pass at this moment. And the cold front has still yet to make the pass as well. Let's see here. Yeah, looks like we got a little trough. It's gonna get a line of gusty winds here. In addition to that, so that's what we got going on radar-wise. My possible confirmed hit there. I bet you I missed it. Would have been a real good one though, but that's okay. So yeah, the last of the storm is almost about ready to quickly move out of the area. There's no other development happening at this time from the back end, the frontal boundary that's passing through. So I suppose that's going to do it for this video. Ladysmith, Wisconsin for tonight. I hope you enjoyed. You have a wonderful night. And I hope to see you next time right here on my channel. Take care.